So folks, today it's the Consam 1320 from 1982, which we serviced yesterday. So it's on the air test today. I'll just put that on 31 and we'll just set the squelch, which doesn't have a knob at the moment. So basic set, high-low power in line with MPT 1320, channel 9 switch, which on this radio does that. And in between yesterday and today we've changed the meter lamp because it actually failed whilst the radio was on. Which just goes to show how you can service a radio and the meter lamp fails on its journey back. So we'll see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Alright, I'm all ready and the camera is recording.
Yep, roger that. Well, we're just coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. Roger got you at Ancaster service station. Now, if those of you who remember, we said this radio's got a lazy needle. Instead of it being S9 for 100 microvolts, I think it was something like 175 microvolts for S9, and it's non-adjustable. I'm not altering the radio, that's how it's manufactured, that's how I want it to be. And the other little thing, oh yeah, the sensitivity wasn't that brilliant. It came in just under 1 microvolt for 12 decibel synad, and the radio will not hear anything much beyond 0.5 microvolt. So I mean, we're
now square wheel at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads. So a lot of radios will hear actually down to about 0.1 of a microvolt, and a lot of the older sets will receive 0.3 of a microvolt for 12 decibel synad. Now some of the current sets are pretty deaf, some of them even worse than this, such as the Cobra 29 LXEU, which is a very disappointing but swish looking set. So let's see how we go round Scratchy Corner, because that's what this is all about. This is what we do.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill to go down in towards the Wilson.
Roger got you at the top of the hill. It's a bit of noise as you're mobile. You were alright when you were stationary. I'm just wondering if the aerial needs something looking at over.
Roger that. I don't know. We'll have to look at it when we come back.
We will indeed sometime, but we know what it should be like. That's absolutely fine going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, and we're on a Consam 1320 from 1982, and it's doing a full 4 watts. The receive is slightly on the deaf side at 1 microvolt, but it's receiving you absolutely fine going around Scratchy Corner.
Yep, that already.
Excellent. Now you see, there's me worrying about how sensitive this radio is, and that's how well it works. Roger got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
I mean, there is some noise this end as well tonight, so
Okay, Roger.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. Roger got you at the Greyleys turn, and that's our worst one, and I've heard a lot worse than that. Roger, I've got you going over rail speed level crossing, also known as Grayleys level crossing. That concludes the test, thank you. Roger, 1010. Now, we didn't hear him say Grayleys because as he went over the crossing, it just dropped out between those trees and that. But I could have asked him to repeat, but we get the gist of it. So that actually works just as well as most other sets and better than a lot. So that surprised me because I thought it was going to be on the deaf side of things. So we'll go over to our base station and let's see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Consam 1320 into our Harris CBHQ base station and using a standard replacement microphone, testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, and thanks for watching.